capture the whole of this jam. Now this is just immediately after these ones were taken out of the oven. So it will be, we will hand pick it to separate the back. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mò ń fídíò lọ́wọ́ ni. Ẹ má bínú, a máa kó padà. As you can see, so we have this in different places. So just feel I should show you this. Thank you. Okay.